Hate dealing with hard water stains or soap scum? This is the fix. I remember my dad using these in the 80s. He used it on everything. He would clean up rust. He would just clean some of his engine parts around the house. And this steel wool pad, actually, it's so inexpensive yet so effective. So we're gonna clean up this ladder here, and I'm gonna show you how effective it is. But first, let's zoom in to see what makes this pad so effective. So you can see all of the twisted steel on this pad here, and that helps to scrape up and lift any grime, grease, calcium deposits, hard water stains, whatever. And it does it safely because it doesn't dig into the surface, it only scrapes the crud off of it. First, we need to just get some water into the tub. You can just put it on top here. There we go. Get your steel wool pad moist and wet. We start lightly scrubbing. I'm just going to go back and forth. Nice and easy. And for the tougher stains, I'll actually have to put more pressure on it. So, yeah, we'll just start with that. And it's going to get all shredded. You're just going to have to pull that stuff out. Okay, here we go. You can see it starts cleaning up super nice. This section up here. Again, look at that. We're going to do this section here. I'm just going to do the top here. You can see. Look at that. That's all I'm going to do. Put some water. Crazy. What about the plastic here? We'll just do straight down. I'm going to do this side. Nice and light. Check it. And there you have it. 90% cleaner. All right, there you have it. SOS pads. They work magic. That took me 10 minutes to do. If I wanted to really make it immaculate, I'd do another 5 minutes, and I'd crack a beer after that. Simple, easy. Get your box today about $3, probably cheaper on Amazon or at discount. I'm Scott, Scott's Top Tips. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching all the way through. We'll see you on the next video.